Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a flight to a trip that you created in the Luxury Escapes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the My Trips button at the bottom of the page and just select one of your trip that you created. And then if you scroll down, look for the flights section, and as you can see, you can search for flights or you can add your own. So just click on the one that you want to use. So here you have to first select if it's a return or a one-way trip. And then you have to set the class, so economy, premium, business or first. And then you have to select an airport. And then you have to select a destination. And then you have to set the date of the departure. And then the passengers as well, and then just click on the search button and it might take a couple of seconds. Oh, and as you can see, there are many flights that you can choose from, so just click on the select button to the one that you found the best, and again a couple of seconds to load. And if you want to just simply add it to the favorites, then click on the save search button, and as you can see, the flight is saved to the London trip. And if you go back, then the flight is there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.